Now let's learn about another powerful tool in probability, the tree diagram. A tree diagram is a visual representation used to list all possible outcomes of a situation that involve multiple stages. It's called a tree diagram because it starts from a single point and branches out like a tree. Each branch represents a possible outcome at one stage. By following the branches from the start to the end, we get the full outcome. Why do we want to use a tree diagram? It's because a tree diagram helps us to list all the outcomes systematically, count the total number of possibilities, and help us to calculate probability more easily and clearly. Let's say we toss a fair coin 3 times. Each time the result will be either heads or tails. We can use a tree diagram to list all possible outcomes. The first toss will give us either H or T. Second toss also H or T, and third toss will also give us H or T. By drawing branches for each of these possible results, we will end up with 8 outcomes in the end, as illustrated in this diagram. We have H, 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 T, H, T, H, H, T, 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 H, H, T, H, T, 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 H, and T, T, T. Now with this, we can answer the following questions. How do we find the probability of getting one head? For our list, the outcome with exactly one head are HTT, THT, and TTH. So that's 3 favorable outcomes out of a total of 8 total outcomes. Probability is therefore 3 over 8. Second, what is the probability of getting 3 tails? There's only one outcome with all tails, TTT, so the probability will be equal to 1 over 8.